गुरु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री gurave नमः. Sanskrit pages something like this. Our gurus. Is guru so much important? Where these gurus are found? Can they change your life? Can they change your future? Can they make you something great? Yes. Takshashila Residential School justifies all these. The faculties over here, the principal, the management, the staff, the helpers, the workers, the students, all are filled with this spirit. To the utmost, not to the fullest, to the bravest, to the utmost you can imagine. Takshashila School is such a school where the atmosphere is filled with spiritualism, with knowledge, with study like atmosphere, great teachers, godly fathers, and above all, the blessings of God. Takshashila Residential School's management is not just only a management, but it's a student, teacher, parents coordinated system which works with the pillar of these three stands, pillars, and base, which makes our college stand strong in all calamities, in all adverse situations, and in all types of results. This year, I was studying in Takshashila Residential School for the last 2 years, and in this year I secured a 92% and bagged the first position in my college. Behind this, the hands were as in a film. You know, there are directors, producers who remain backhand and showcase their talents by directing the actor. Just like that, I was only the actor. The real directors and producers and script writers were my beloved principal sir, dear Haraprasad Panda, who was the main career maker, my path maker, pave maker, destination doer, and at last the main designer of all of my study planning. He was such a principal you will never ever get in the Berhampur town, such a coordinative, cooperative, and positivity having person that he will always inspire you to reach to the utmost. If you can't reach the utmost, to the fullest. If not to the fullest, to the top. He is such a person who will never let you down. He will always hold your hand. The interaction which you will get with the teacher, the same interaction you can imagine and you can feel if you join once in Takshashila that you are having with the principal. He is such a great person. The very rare person in this earth. You will never find such a mesmerizing personality with down to earth, sober nature, and always ready to help students in the calamities, in the problems, in the study related issues. So many thank you, sir, for helping me throughout these 2 years and making me feel what I am and recognizing my true potential, because of which I secured this percentage, this mark I dedicate at your lotus feet. After that, I would like to thank the management who always coordinated, cooperated, and looked after our well-being, our prosperity, our maintenance, campus, and utmost the quality of teachers which is at par, not only at par, the excellent faculties which you will get here. You will not require any more home tuitions or outside tuitions. You don't have to linger from here to there, because the study which is given here is completely NCERT based, and CBSE 12 can be cracked confidently. With that much knowledge, you can be assured. At last, I would like to thank all my teachers, parents, colleagues, staff management, and my beloved principal, Sir Haraprasad Panda, for believing in me and putting so much input, because of which I secured a humble 92%. With this, I would like to end my introduction, and if you want a bright career, prospering future, and a promising career in the coming hand, then you must and you should join your child in TRS. You can verify it. Don't just rely on me. Verify the persons, verify the people, verify the management, and check upon your teachers, the principal, and you will be assured that yes, Mohit was correct and we are the ones, we are the TRSians, and we are going to excel the world and future in the coming hand. Thank you. Have a nice day.